All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to change the garbage in all of your bathrooms. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to bring 3 bags with me because I'm fairly certain the garbage cans that I have inside the bathrooms do not have little garbage bags. And I use these like 13-gallon bags, which is perfect. Actually, I'm going to go grab those now. So you can go ahead and grab them for yourself as well. So I'm going to have 3 bags, one that I can empty the trash into that's currently in there. One bag is going to go in, and then I'm going to have one bag that's just going to be sitting underneath. Ooh, sorry about that. One bag. Yep, there you go. This is the ones I'm doing. Um, and if you're interested, they are lavender and sweet vanilla, and I will link it down below. So 3 bags per can, because I'm going to put one at the bottom of the can, because that way next week all I have to do is take out the bag and then bring another bag with me, put it on the bottom, and put in the new bag. So, are you guys ready? I'm not ready. All right, so what I'm going to do is that I only make one trip up the stairs because now you understand why I call it a cardio clean. I'm going to get all the bags that I need. So I have 2 bathrooms upstairs. So I'm going to be grabbing 6 garbage bags because something tells me I'm going to have full garbage bags when I'm done coming down the stairs. So I don't know how I'm going to be carrying you 2. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, there we go. We'll put you over here. All right, let's go. Okay, so I have a bathroom downstairs as well. So I'm gonna have to get this done in that amount of time too. My bathroom, which we're gonna go into first, is not one that I really used over the course of this year. So we will get to cleaning all the bathrooms, but I can tell you, it's bad. It is really, really bad. So that is gonna be okay. We're actually gonna come in here first. All right. When I say it's bad, it is bad. There we go. Okay. 1, 2. All right. So first I'm going to go ahead and take the garbage out. It looks like there is a bunch of stuff in there, and I was right. There isn't a bag in this. So I'm glad I brought an extra one. All right. So I put it over the whole can and just tip it upside down. That seems to work. All right. I don't know what's in this, but get it all out. There we go. Okay. Very good. Very good. All right. I totally could possibly get another can in here. I just don't trust. I just don't know what's in there. So inside the other one. So I'm just going to I'm gonna do another bag for that one. All right. Here we go. So again, I'm just gonna put one down at the bottom, and then I'm going to fill this go. All right. Bag. Perfect. All right. Let's go. All right, so what I'm going to do is, all right. So I'm going to take the bag that I have. I'm going to put it here at the top of the stairs. That way I can bring it down. So now all I have is the bags. All right. There's someone in there. Oh no. Well, I guess we'll wait. I don't have much time. I guess I don't have a lot of time, but I guess I'll bring. Ooh, I'm getting a workout today, aren't I? All right. Let's go and bring our bag downstairs to the garbage can, and then we'll come back up. Who needs leg day? We have weekly home blessing, right? Okay. Go. I'm just bringing my bag out to the can. Yeah, let's just do it. Whew. All right. So we have about a little less than 6 minutes. All right. Let's go. Since I'm waiting for someone, we'll do the bathroom downstairs. 1, 2, 3. All right. Let go. So I got 3 more for the bathroom downstairs. And this is the one that I use the most, but it's still kind of a hot mess. All right. This trash can is a lot smaller. Oh, sweet. It's already emptied. All right, well, that makes life easy. Put it back down. Put it back in. I'm not going to even make it look nice right now. All right. Having my hair down is such a bad idea. But I look cute. Okay. Maybe we'll go upstairs. Maybe they'll be done. 4 minutes, roughly. I think we can do it. All right, going back up the stairs. Notice I'm getting slower. Yeah, and yes, I'm out of breath. But we're getting in our cardio. All right. Oh my goodness, I think they're still in there. Yep, they're still in there. Well, I guess I'm gonna do that after, because I am a firm believer in not bothering people. So I'm gonna have to go in there anyway when we do the mirrors. So I'm just going to have to put it in during that time. All right, we have, I'm counting, 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. Whew. All right. Not bad. I'll go ahead and put away my garbage bags while I wait, because I brought them over the table so you can see them. Whew. You know, my husband and I, we bought this house, and he We love this house. We totally love this house, but I told him, I said, there's no way this could be a forever home. There's no way. Not with them stairs. No. Whew. All right, so we have almost 2 minutes left. So if you are still working on your trash, that's perfectly fine. Take your time. You do have 2 minutes left. Whew. I didn't need blush today because, running around like a crazy person. Hopefully y'all are running around like a crazy person too. Whew. Thank goodness I only have 3 bathrooms, right? Whew. Yeah, that's wild. Yeah, I do like doing the weekly home blessing because I'd forgotten how much cardio is involved. It may not seem like it, but it is. All right, so, and what's good is after we're done here, we're halfway done. Can you believe it? Halfway done. All right, so you have 1 minute left. I did finish my coconut water, so that's good. Oh. The next task is gonna take a minute. Oh, that might take all of the 10 minutes, but that's okay. Oh wow, I am warm. I may put my hair up. We have 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left of taking out the garbage in all 3 bathrooms. Well, I have 3 bathrooms, but all of your bathrooms is what I should say. Yeah. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. So next, we're going to sweep the floors or vacuum.